Businesses only care about two things, and it's two P's. I like making life easy because I'm so simple. Productivity and profitability. Productivity and profitability. If you can help a company become more productive, help them do more with less, help them become more efficient, you'll close deals. You'll close deals. If you can help a company earn more money or save more money, you will close deals. So this is ROI selling. So your number one job when you're demonstrating value is to demonstrate how you can help them either become more productive or more profitable. So I find in sales, when I just really focus on those two things, it makes my life a whole lot easier. It makes it a lot easier. Oh, what do they want? What do they want? We know what businesses want. They want to become more profitable or more productive or a combination of both. So does your offering help them achieve those two goals? If it doesn't, that's why you're struggling. That's why you're not closing deals. If it doesn't, that's why they're like, that was a great presentation. What does that mean? You looked good? You know, oh, it was a great presentation, Tom. Well done, but we're not buying from you. Well, then it wasn't a great presentation, I have to say. Then it wasn't, right? Because to me, a great presentation is one that has them going, great, when can I start? That's a great presentation. That demonstrated, so there's a presentation and then a demonstration of how we help you save money or become more productive. More productive or more profitable. So ROI appeals. So demonstrate value. You have to find out what are write down this acronym. I'm just full of acronyms. W-I-T-Y. Witty. You're so witty. Right? Witty. That stands for what's important to you, customer. What's important to you? So here's the thing, and I love this. You know, we talk about presenting. Oh, I did a great presentation. I hate presentations. If I have a company going, oh yeah, Tom, we're thinking about engaging someone for sales training. Can you come into our office and make a presentation? No. Make a presentation. What? Thank you. But really, what do you mean some presentation? Like it's some circus act or something? I'm going to make a presentation? I'm not making a presentation. I'll have a conversation with you about your biggest challenges in your organization and what your objectives are moving forward. I'll have a conversation with you about the level of competency of your sales team. I'll share with you some best practices and where they should be. And then we'll talk about a way forward, how we can work together and how I can help optimize the performance of your team. I'm happy to have a conversation about that. But the song and dance won't happen, right? If you want a presentation, here's a link to my YouTube video where you can actually see me in action. If that's what you want, you can do that. But we're going to have a conversation. When you start talking like that, people treat you with a whole lot more respect. Holy smokes. You're no longer seen as the dreaded V word. Vendor. I hate vendor. You're not a vendor, you're not a supplier, you're a partner. Please write that down. Vendor X, partner thumbs up. Once people see you as a partner in a long-term selling relationship, it's a whole different story, right? Okay. Well, we're partying. Are we good to go for 10 minutes?
Sure.
Are you okay for 10 minutes?
Yes.
Keep going?
Yes.
Okay, cool. So demonstrate value. So you have to find out what are their biggest challenges, and then you have to demonstrate a solution that fits that challenge. The closer the fit, the higher the value. I could charge twice as much as another sales trainer, but if I have a fit for you, that they're like, oh my God, this is the guy. Okay, price is too high, but I see the value. Effort, easy. Time, he can do something tomorrow, right? Effectiveness, this guy works with companies all over the planet. This guy is the best, right? That fees, no problem. If you can hit all the other ones. The closer the fit, the higher the value. Let's say you have 7 people, and you need a car, and you see a 2-seater. And the 2-seater is really cheap, but the 7-seater is like twice as much as the 2-seater. It doesn't matter how cheap the 2-seater is, we don't fit. The closer the fit, the higher the value.